So this is basically your just regular shift knob, nothing too crazy. And this is the TRD Pro shift knob. So it's got the TRD logo right there. It's got the red stitching, looks really nice. This one actually, I got this one used, so it's a little beat up. So I'll show you how you install this here. First you gotta push this down right here, push down the sleeve, and then that's when you'll be able to just twist this off. Then you grab your new one, twist that on, get nice and tight right there. And then you just slide up the sleeve, and then you'll just hear it engage, and then you got your new shift knob there. So it's pretty sweet. It's a little bit thicker than the other one by comparison, so it feels pretty good on your arm, on your hand right here, so you could rest it. Thanks for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make some more videos and content. Catch you guys on the next one.